And all I was doing is looking for a good setup, a good execution on the trade, protecting my trade. I had my risk management in place, right? I had no fear because of my risk management, which allowed me to work through it, right? Red, green, red, red, all the things. Got to where I wanted, started to hesitate, which is fine. I don't want to see hesitation. I want to see pull, pull. If I get the nice gamma candle, I could look at shedding half. I could stay in it. I could add in. If I start to see it slow down, I don't want to do that. Why? Because usually when it starts to slow down, it tells me buyers are going to come in here. And usually when the buyers come in here, they'll start to drive it up, which they did. They would have drove it up. That would have hit my stop loss. So instead of making $125, I would have lost 300. Actually, on that trade, I would have lost 12. Yeah, 1,200 was my total risk, right? So instead, I made my money, got in, got out, got green, done, boom, bob, boom, bing, dong. Any questions? Class dismissed. Nice. How we doing? Everybody doing okay? Is everybody mad that we're still here? We're still doing this. I'm still in the room way after 11 again every single day this week. Is everybody upset about that?
Not at
I've
all.
learned so much more.
We love it, coach.
All right, I was just checking. Do you guys remember when I used to sit in here literally from 4 a.m. to about 6, 7 p.m. at night? Every
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yep. Yeah.
literally every day through my lunch break, we'd work out together, we'd eat together, right? We were in a pre-market before there was a pre-market. I'd literally be in here with like 3 people at 4 a.m., right? I'd be on TikTok doing the dance, doing the rose dances to get people like, okay, I never danced, but you know what I'm saying.
Hey, Coach, the bottoms of these candles on SPY are slowly moving up on a trend there. Does that mean anything to the upside or not really?
It won't really mean anything until we break. What was the number, partner?
219 or 619.20.
There we go. Right.
Thanks.
Otherwise, I'm just quick scalping off of either the 9 or the 619, right? So the channel is 618.50 to 619. Everybody see that? That's your channel. This is your upper level. This is your lower level. See here?
hmm But just the bottoms of those candles trending upward like that, that's no indication to you, and it doesn't mean anything for getting in early, right?
I don't care about that at all. I really don't. I,
Okay.
I don't give two craps about that. And I know a lot of people, oh, the 3 candles, and I don't give two shits. If it can't break a level of resistance, I don't care if there's 47 of the, right? It's showing you, it's drawing a map that we're going to run to the upside, right? It's got soldiers running, right? Those 3 soldiers, by the way, because that's what they're called, those 3 soldiers don't mean shit to me. If you're going to run into a resistance wall of 70,000 soldiers, what do I care about the 3? Does that make sense?
Perfectly. I appreciate
Yep.
it.
Yep. I don't put a lot of weight in that. You guys notice I trade channels mostly, not candles. Has everybody caught on yet? Anybody in the room?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now I will use them to help me to give me different types of indications. Like, um, I will use these. Like, how is it going? What did it do? How long were the wicks? What kind of candles they were? But I'm telling you right now, I could honestly, if I wanted to, obviously, though, it's another level of helping me out. You could take the candles away from me. I don't give a about that. Take them away. I don't give two shits. If I wanted to trade without the candles, I'd just say, I'm going to wait for the break here, or I'm going to watch for the drop here. I don't care what you look like, right? I really don't. Will I use the L2 and will I use volume? Do I look at the EWO, right? Do I see, is there any type of trends? Am I looking for pattern? Yeah, I'm doing all that. But honestly, if I put it down to its most simplistic, rock bottom, give me VWAP, and you can keep your shitty ass candles. Bye. Done.